As lawmakers continue to respond swiftly to the needs of typhoon victims, some members of the House are turning their attention to a more detailed investigation into infrastructure issues that may have exacerbated the damage. Our Mela Lesmoras reports.
House Speaker Faustino Bojoy D. III expressed his sympathy to our countrymen severely affected by Typhoon Tino. According to Speaker D, lawmakers in the affected districts are already taking action to deliver immediate assistance and support to their constituents. He added that the House of Representatives is ready to allocate funds for programs that would help speed up the recovery of the typhoon victims and accelerate the rebuilding of their homes. House Committee on Public Accounts Chair Terry Ridon echoed Speaker D's statement. He also urged the Independent Commission for Infrastructure to investigate flood control projects in provinces that experience severe flooding.
Very important na immediately yung pong Independent Commission for Infrastructure, pagkatapos po ng pagpunta nila sa Davao City, ngayon pong linggong ito, ay magtungo sa Cebu at sa iba pang mga apektadong mga lugar dito pong nagdaang bagyo para makita at masiyasat kung alin po yung mga gumana, alin po yung mga hindi gumana ng mga flood control projects po sa mga lugar po na ito.
Meanwhile, ACT Teachers Party List Representative Antonio Tino also called for an investigation on the alleged red flags in flood control projects in Davao City's 1st District from 2019 to 2022. He said he will file a resolution in the House regarding the matter, but added that it would also be best for the ICI or the Office of the Ombudsman to look into it.
Ang findings po natin sa 121 na ito, merong 80 projects, 80 contracts na may red flag. Nagkakahalagang 4.35 billion pesos in total. Na ibig sabihin ng red flags, questionable. Merong mga proyektong nagsapawan, merong proyektong double ang funding, merong nasa ibang lugar at mas maiksi kaysa dun sa nakatakda sa General Appropriations Act.
Mela Lesmoras from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.